Have you ever wondered if black beans are easy to grow? The answer is yes. You can. In this video I am showing you how to grow black beans easily at home. Black beans are incredibly easy to grow and take care of. Simply plant them, water them occasionally, give them sunshine, and they'll grow without any additional help. You'll want to wait to plant them until the last frost has passed, usually around late spring, and the soil temperature has reached at least 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Your plants should have about 4 to 5 months of consistent, warm weather for successful germination and growth. Poke 1-inch deep holes into the soil with a hand shovel, spaced about 3 inches apart. Drop a 3 to 5 bean seed into each hole. Cover the seeds with soil. Water well so that the soil appears damp but not soggy. Observe how long it takes for the soil to dry out and water again until you can gauge how much it will take to keep the soil moist during germination, but not so much that water puddles in the row. Make rows about 1 foot apart to allow for ease of movement among the plants and to make weeding and cultivating easier. Under good conditions, beans germinate in 8 to 10 days. Beans may take 2 weeks or longer if the soil temperature is under 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait until daytime temperatures are above 75 degrees Fahrenheit before planting bean for fast seed germination. After the seed germinates and the roots grow, the bean plant begins to push out a single stem. As the stem emerges from the soil, 2 little leaves emerge. A stalk, hypocotyl, sets the seed and cotyledons firmly into the soil. The first pair of leaves provide photosynthesis for the seedling. Black beans originated in Central and South America. They're the same species as snap beans, but are grown for their dried seeds, not in mature pods. For this reason, black beans take longer than snap beans to go from seed to harvest. They need about 90 to 110 days versus snap beans, which are harvested 50 to 60 days from planting. Beans are a warm season vegetable and grown between the spring and fall frost dates. While there are different varieties of black beans available to commercial growers, most home gardeners plant black turtle beans. This is an heirloom variety with bush or semi-runner plants. There's no need to provide trellising for black turtle beans, and when grown in a site that offers full sun and fertile organic soil, expect each plant to produce 20 to 30 pods, with each pod having 6 to 8 seeds. Black beans are shallowed roots plants with 90% of their roots produced in the top 2 feet of soil. To promote healthy plants and large harvests, keep beans free of weeds and cultivate the soil often to keep it aerated and maintain its water retention capacity. Water often to keep the soil moist but not soggy, particularly during dry spells. If you're not sure whether you should water, stick your finger into the soil to gauge moisture levels a couple of inches down. If the soil is completely dry, it's time to water. To hold soil moisture and reduce the need to water, you can mulch the soil around your plants with straw or shredded leaves. As summer wanes and the pods begin to turn yellow, reduce or stop watering. Excessive moisture late in the season can delay pod maturation. Black beans are generally easy to grow, but there are a number of pests you may encounter. The key to pest prevention is to practice biodiversity in the garden. Plant a mixture of vegetables, herbs, and flowers. This invites pollinators as well as beneficial insects. Also, monitor the crop regularly so you can address any issues that pop up before they get out of hand. By following all these tips, surely you will enjoy harvesting your own organic black beans. Happy organic gardening!